ऑनलाइन स्पोकन हिंदी कोर्स संवाद।
कारक। Namaste. Let's learn about case, which in Hindi we call as karak. Karak are those words that connect the subject, the object and the verb to each other to form a sentence. We have 8 types of karak in Hindi. Let's see them one by one. The first one is ne, the second one is ko, the third karak is se, the fourth one is ko, the fifth karak is se, the sixth one can be either ka, ke or ki, the seventh one can be me or per, the last and the eighth one can be he or are. The first karak we have is ne, which is called karta karak. Karta means doer. Let's see this with an example. सोहन ने खाना खाया. सोहन ने खाना खाया. Sohan ate food. Here, Sohan is the subject, khana khaya is the verb. To join both the subject and the verb, we have used the karak ne. Let's take one more example. तुमने पत्र लिखा. तुमने पत्र लिखा. You wrote a letter. The next karak is ko or the karam karak. This karak ko acts on an object. And to find this object, we ask questions like whom or kisko, when or kab, what, kya. Let's see this with different examples. राम ने रावण को मारा. राम ने रावण को मारा. Ram killed Ravan. Here the question type is whom. Whom did Ram kill? For which we have used the karam karak ko. Let's take one more example. वह सुबह विद्यालय जाता है. वह सुबह विद्यालय जाता है. He goes to school in the morning. Here the question type is when. When does he go to school? So we answer it by saying karma karak ko. समीर जूस पीता है. समीर जूस पीता है. Samir drinks juice. Here the question type is what. What does Samir drink? But remember, when the question type is what, the karam karak ko is not to be used. The third karak is se, which we call as karan karak. Let's see this in an example. रिया पेंसिल से लिखती है. रिया पेंसिल से लिखती है. Riya writes with a pencil. In English, we write with a pencil. In place of with, in Hindi, we use the karan karak se. One more example. बच्चा खिलौने से खेल रहा है. बच्चा खिलौने से खेल रहा है. The child is playing with the toy. In place of with again, the Karan Karak se is used in Hindi. The fourth Karak is Sampradhan Karak. This can have two words, ko and ke liye. When a subject does something to a noun or a pronoun, we use this Sampradhan Karak. Let's take two sentences and see them in examples. हरी ने मोहन को रुपए दिए. हरी ने मोहन को रुपए दिए. Hari gave money to Mohan. Here, in place of to, we will write the karak ko in Hindi. Next sentence. रोहन ने सोहन के लिए उपहार खरीदा. रोहन ने सोहन के लिए उपहार खरीदा. Rohan bought a gift for Sohan. Here, in place of for, we will use the karak ke liye. The fifth karak is called apadan karak, for which we use the word say. It is used for separation of an object from the noun or the pronoun. Let's see this with an example. पेड़ से पत्ता गिरा. पेड़ से पत्ता गिरा. The leaf fell from the tree. In this example, we see that the leaf is getting separated from the tree. So we are using the word say in place of from. Let's take another example. गंगा हिमालय से निकलती है. गंगा हिमालय से निकलती है. Ganga originates from the Himalayas. In this example, Ganga is separating from the Himalayas. That's why we are using the karak se in place of from. The sixth karak is Sambandh karak, and in this we have three words, ka, ke and ki. If the noun or the pronoun being possessed is of masculine gender, we use the word ka. If it is of feminine gender, then we use the word ki, and in its plural form, we use the word ke. Let's see how. Sushma ka kangan. Sushma ka kangan. Sushma's bangle. Here, the noun kangan or the bangle being possessed is of masculine gender. So we are using the word ka. Next example. Sushma ki अंगूठी. Sushma ki अंगूठी. Sushma's ring. Here the noun अंगूठी or the ring being possessed is of feminine gender. So we are using the karak ki. The third instance, Sushma ke gehne. Sushma ke gehne. Sushma's ornaments. Here, the noun being possessed is ornaments or gehne, and it is in plural form. So it is going to be preceded by the karak ke. The seventh karak is adhikaran karak. In this, we use two words, may in place of in and per in place of on. Let's see this with examples. शेर जंगल में रहता है. शेर जंगल में रहता है. The tiger lives in the forest. Here in Hindi we will use may in place of in. सेकंड सेंटेंस, भरत चारपाई पर सो गया। भरत चारपाई पर सो गया। Bharat slept on the bed. Here we are using per in place of on. The last and the eighth karak is Sambodhan karak. Here we have two words again, ye or are. Let's see with examples. हे प्रभु ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? हे प्रभु ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? Oh God, why did you do this? Second example. अरे तुम इतने बड़े हो गए। अरे तुम इतने बड़े हो गए। Oh, you grew up. These exclamatory words are to be followed by an exclamation mark. Let's have a quick recap of what we have learned so far. Karak are of 8 types. Karta ne, कर्म को, करण से, संप्रदान को और के लिए, अपादान से, संबंध का के की, अधिकरण में पर, संबोधन ए अरे. Time to evaluate yourself. The answer is ne. राम ने रावण को मारा.